Guys, we are doing meatballs. Basically, we mixed breadcrumb, egg, milk, and black pepper, salt, coriander, and mix it all together. And we're making meatballs now. We chopped all the vegetables, which is garlic, onion, carrot, basil, and coriander. So we're gonna do this, finish this. This is for special of the day tomorrow, basically, all meatballs, that's how we do. It's 5:15, we've been starting about 40 minutes ago. We still half full. I still got problem 40 minutes ago. Nearly done. We've done well really, in about 20 minutes we're almost finished on. That's the last bit. There we go. Got basil, we've got basil, coriander, carrot, onion, and garlic in here. And we've got meatballs in here. Then we're gonna mix our sauce now. Little bit vegetable oil, not too much. Oops, take this out. I had to clean this, so I put a little more oil now. Wash that and clean it, so there we go. Chopped tomato, that in there. Some garlic paste. Not much, just tiny bit. Off. Tomato paste a little bit, not too much. A little bit coriander. We add all the vegetables. A little bit salt and garlic and mixed herbs. A little bit water, not too much, that's it. I'm going to mix this. Meatballs gonna go in. So we're gonna leave it like this, not mixing or anything, guys. Just tiny bit more water. So put this on. The slow cooker. Turn it on. That's it. It's gonna go in here for 8 hours. And that's our slow cooked meatballs special for tomorrow. Will be ready tomorrow morning. I'll show you the final video. Drop us follow. Join our live stream tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Bye.